Bunaleos 2 versus Kalumpang Lehos.
Costa.
Ay, sorry.
Wilson Lopez, taking through. No good. Lima for battle. There's a steal. Here is Denmark. Delta drives. Left by Lea. No good.
Parang ang unti ng player ng Buna.
Costa. Joseph Delta. Peter Shaq. No good. Lima for Navales. Here is Navales. Drives off the glass. No
2
good.
points for Kalumpang Lehos.
Costa gives it to Lopez. At the baseline, Deborah. Costa again. No good. Rebound for Navales. Second rebound for the ball again for Navales. Here is Panela. Samambayan takes three. Albert Samambayan,
5 points Kalumpang Lehos.
Use number 99, Costa. Starting up the game for Bunaleos. Gives it to Barrett. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Deborah takes three. Deborah,
3-5 Kalumpang Lehos.
Panela. Samambayan again. Not this time around, rebound for Barrett. First base number 18. 16 on the shot clock. Costa gives it to Lopez. Costa takes through, no good. Samambayan gives it to Monica. Pass to Lindberg. This is the layup. Here is Costa. Gives it to Barrett. 14 on the shot clock. And there's a steal for Panela. Here is Lopez. This to Barrett. Lays it in, no good. Navales gets the rebound. Samambayan gets it. Gives it to Navales. 16 on the shot clock. Navales takes three. No good. Rebound for jersey number 18. Pass to Costa.
Sayang.
Lip back at the middle. Kick out pass. Panela again drives. 6 seconds. And there's a block. Navales loses the ball. Here is Barrett. Pass to Costa. Bounce. Kalumpang Lehos. With 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Samambayan gives it to Navales. Inside for 2.
7-2. 7-3 Kalumpang Lehos. 7-3.
Navales. Kung kanino daw po yung high ace, 50-11. Nandito po sa gilid ng court. High ace. Plaka, 50-11. Makikisuyo po. Salamat.
Puro 3 points sila.
Denmark takes three. No good. Batting for rebound. Here is Roger. Makes that 2.
Score 9-3 Kalumpang Lehos.
Malabana gives it to Barrett. At the corner, Lopez takes three. And Lopez 3.
6-9.
Official score 9-6. Panela now looking for an answer. Samambayan answers back. Albert Samambayan.
Grabe. 12-6.
Back-to-back 3-pointer coming from both teams. Lopez again. And Lopez.
Sagutan ng 3 points.
12-9.
12-9 12-9.
Here's Navales. Gives it to Moita. No good. Batting for the ball. Who will have it? Last touch on jersey number 12. The ball. Malabanan.
4 minutes,
Using
40
their time, setting up
seconds.
his team. Good pass. Tempora inside for 2. Great point for Malabanan to get that easy 2 points for
11-12.
Tempora.
Lamang ng isa.
Advanced
Kalumpang
substitution
Lehos.
for Kalumpang Lehos. Panela at the middle.
Kaso parang unti ng...
Elde Panela. G.
Yabang daw.
15-11. Is there. Gives it to Nangan. Nangan takes 3.
Grabe! Umuulan ng 3 points.
Raining threes from both teams. Panela.
Ano yun?
Substitution.
Umuulan ng 3 points. 3
Panela takes 3 again. At the tip of the ring, rebound for Tempora. Here is Malabanan. Bumping up. Malabanan. Gives it to Lopez. Corner 3. No good.
Sala na pa
Rebound for the Marine. Here is Panela. Gives it to Albert. No balance. Missing the layup, but there's a full.
Score 12-11.
Novales makes his first throw.
13-11.
16-14.
Ay,
Advanced timeout goal for
Mali pala.
Bonaleos Dos.
score 16-14. Lamang Kalumpang Lehos. 16-14.
Receives the ball. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 18 on the shot clock. Paro gives it to Lopez. Lopez fires. No good. Offensive rebound again for Tempora. Gives it to Tempora. Takes 3. Tempora 3.
Bang, bang.
The game is tied at all 17.
All 17.
4 3-pointer coming from Bonaleos. Sangabayan now. Out of bounds. Tempora.
Nice pass. Sayang sana.
The ball will stay to Bonaleos. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Lopez. 8 to shoot. Tempora fakes. Step back jumper. Too strong. Demery rebound. Gives it to Sangabayan. Sangabayan sidestep move. No good. Sangabayan makes his second. Costa setting the lead for Bonaleos. Gives it to Nangan. 14 to the shot clock. Nangan fakes. Drives. Good defense for Novales. Here's Panela. Outlet pass. Sangabayan lays it in for 2. For Albert Sangabayan. 20-17. 3-point lead. At Kalumpang Lehos.
2017. Lamang ng 3 Kalumpang Lehos.
Take 3. At the tip of the ring. Rebound for Panela. Sangabayan again. Sidestep move. Off the glass. Cuts it in for 2. For Albert Sangabayan. Is that one? Rebound for Alicia. Alicia gives it to Sangabayan. Novales. Good screen. Sangabayan. Albert Sangabayan.
Okay lang 3 points.
25-17. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Tempora gives it to Costa. Barrow gives it to Costa. 10 seconds to shoot. Almost a steal. Now recovers it. 5 to shoot. One minute and 5 seconds. Nangan taking 3. Nangan 3. 25-20. Panela setting up his teammate. Gives it to Demery. Good pass, Alicia. Reverse shot. 45 seconds. Good pass coming from Costa. 25-22, 35 seconds.
25-22. Sino 25?
Canela. Gives ito sa kampayan. Here is Lopez. Canela inside, no good. Deborah out of pass. Costa all alone, lazy for 2. 24, shot lang isa, 10 seconds.
25-24. 25 Kalumpang Lehos. Naaagawan. Nice pass. Sala pa. Counted. Lamangan ng isa ang Bonalejos. Lamang na ng isa ang Kalumpang Lehos.
Costa, looking for an open man. Gives it to Barrett. Against two defender. And there's almost a steal. Costa takes the lead. Backing for rebound. He will have it. Sa Kampayan. Gives it to Panela. Panela stops. Gives it to Morga at the corner. Morga. Team! 30-26, 4-point lead of Kalumpang Lehos. Here is Raman.
30-26 Kalumpang Lehos.
Costa. Good pass. Deborah off the glass. 2-2.
Ganda ng pasahan.
Panela.
30-28.
30-22. Panela pass to Menarini inside.
32-28.
Costa gives it to Barrett. 14 on the shot clock. Costa bounces up. Panela, and there's a steal for Barrett.
Steal.
Costa again. To Deborah.
Rebound. Wala nang may rebound.
Deborah. Good pass score.
Score.
Again substitution. Sa 8 minutes. 32-30. 2-point lead of Kalumpang Lehos.
32-30 Kalumpang Lehos.
Deverin inside. Kick out pass. Morga in.
Grabe.
Morga. Team!
Puro 3 points.
Here is Costa. Deborah inside. And there's a troubling violation. The ball. Panela. Alley-oop lead. No good.
Uy, may steal pa.
Here is Costa. And there's a foul.
Shot ba yun?
Advanced substitution. Substitution. Panela.
Score 35-32.
18 on the shot clock.
Lamang ng tatlo.
Boyka takes 3. No good. Ibang forma labanan. To shoot. Para takes 3. Substitution.
6 minutes. 50
Panela again. In and out. There's a steal for Deborah. Costa all alone. Lazy in for 2. There's a steal. Time out.
Score 35-36. Lamang na po ang Bonalejos. Apat na agad yung foul ni Nun Lopez sa Bonalejos. First quarter pa lang eh.
Diba?
Nanini ko si Nubales.
Technical foul on jersey number 82 of Bangladesh.
Sala. Noon mang sisiko ulit oh.
Stepping down, the ball is going for Bangladesh. Boyka inside, in and out.
Lumabas.
46-49. Costa. Gives it to Mara. Good pass inside.
Gaganda ng pasa.
Costa lays it in for 2. They are now up by 3. 38-35.
Lamang ng tatlo ang ano.
Pass to the Marine. Out of bounds.
Lamang ng tatlo, Bunacerca. Ay, Bunacerca, Bunalejos. Gaganda ng pasahan nila eh.
Costa makes 3. Costa 3.
6 na, lamang ng Bunalejos.
Advanced substitution.
Bunalejos
No
2.
bias. 18
Ay,
on the
hindi
shot
ko
clock.
nakita.
Here is Parrot. Gives it to Malaman. Malaman lays it in for 2.
8 na, 8.
43-35. And there's
Sayang.
almost a steal for Costa. Substitution.
Mas
Jersey
mabilis ang
number 7. Gives it
Bunalejos.
to jersey number 16. Real. 2 for 2.
Ay, sorry.
4 minutes and 50 seconds. Malabanan. 16 on the shot clock. Gives it to Chicago. Malabanan. 12 to shoot. Costa takes 3.
Grabe!
3.
Kada bitaw ng bola.
Novales drives. No good. Batting for rebound. They will have it.
Hindi ngayon makashoot si
Costa has it.
Novales. Sayang!
Vidalio gets the ball. Gives it to Novales. Pumping off the glass for 2.
Ano daw score? 46-39?
Malabanan setting up the lane for Bunalejos. Moves it through. Costa at the baseline. Loses his balance. Deverin, 3 against 1. Real lays it in. Too strong.
Ano ba yan?
Malabanan gets it. 4
Pre na
against
eh.
2. And there's a steal for Novales. Novales gives it to Deverin all alone for 2. Time out. 8 minutes and 30
Score
seconds.
46-41 Bunalejos 2.
Malabanan. 14 on the shot clock. Malabanan. And there's a steal again for Calopangos. Vidalio. Gives it to
Ano ba
Real.
naman yun?
Gives it to Malabanan. Where is Novales? Costa gets it. Nahan. And there's a 20-in violation. Novales. Good pass, Deverin. 2 for 2. 4 for 6, 4 for 3, 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
46-43.
Advanced substitution. Barot gives it to Malabanan. Spins. 10 to shoot. And there's a
Ano
tap.
ba yan?
There's a steal for Sakampayan.
Nawala na ng
Gives
laro
it to
ang
Novales.
Bunalejos.
Lays it in for 2 for Cristian Novales. 46-45. The lead is down by 1. 1 point lead of Bunalejos.
Nagyan naman yung nagko-commentator
14 on
to.
the shot clock. Costa. Gives it to Naman.
46-45 lamang na lang.
Malabanan taking 3. No good. Offensive rebound for Barot. 12 on the shot clock. Naman takes 3.
Hindi na sila
Missing
makas-
again. Offensive rebound. Tempora. No good. There is Novales. Exactly 2 minutes. Real. Left-handed with our shadow
Labang
swing.
na ng isa ang kalumpang
For Real.
Lehos. Papasok na agad si ano.
Langan.
Apat na ang
1
foul.
minute and 40 seconds. Costa. Gets it to Barot. Barot takes 3.
Di
No
na
good.
makasya.
2 teammates battle for rebound. Costa takes 3.
Si Yuan lang ba mo
Domenin
nagre-rebound?
secures the ball. Gives it to Samanthayan. Advanced substitution for Bonales. Navales gets it. Real step back jumper. Costa. Pass to Malabanan. Malabanan bounce.
Foul. Count.
Off the glass. Box it in. Malabanan, this is bonus throw.
Ano ba yung sabihin nun?
1 point lead ang Bonales.
Lamang ng
gets it.
isa ang Bonales.
10 to shoot. Nangan takes 3. No good.
Hindi na makasya.
Lopez gives it to Barot. Inside, off the glass for Barot.
Lamang ng tatlo
50-47.
Bonalejos.
45 seconds left. Here is Samambayan.
Parang ang taas naman nun para sa
Gives it to
quarter na ba?
Vidalio. Morales. Good pass. Laser in for Vidalio.
50-49. Lamang ng isa Bonalejos.
10 seconds to drink the game clock to shot clock. Barot to Lopez. No good. Will get the rebound.
Sa
Pepera. Pass to Nangan. Too strong. Pepera again.
Aray.
Fighting for the ball. Pepper has it. 15 seconds. No good. Pepper has it. 10. 8. Navales. Basket and one for Navales.
51-50.
Baselines.
4 seconds na lang. Oh! Galing! Galing! Sumot pag malayo! Simula dito. Ganton. Sumot. Sayang. Third quarter. Lamang ng isa ang Bonaleos dos.
Labanan. Bounce. Loses his balance. Lipa gets the rebound. Goes into Real. Jersey number 7. And there's a whistle. Traveling violation. Malabanan. Drives. Eagle pass. Costa takes two. Costa 3. 56-52. 4-point lead of Banaleos. Panera. There's a steal for Nangan. Nangan outlet pass. Costa stops off the glass for two.
Nice.
5 straight points coming from jersey number 99 of Banaleos. Panela drives, kick out pass, Sampayan taking three. No good. Good pass for Panela. Basket down for the ball. Novales makes his bonus throw. 58-55. Malabanan
58-55.
gives it to Nangan. Nangan three. Step back jumper. No good.
Hindi na siya.
Batting the rebound. Panera has it. There is Aldo. Gives it to Limpan. 58-57. The lead is down by 1. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Malabanan gives it to Costa. Advanced substitution. Nangan gives it to Costa. 10 to shoot. Barrett at the baseline. Tempora gives it to Nangan. Loses the ball. Late pass out for Sampayan. Where is Panera? There's a steal for Costa. Number 99.
Ano ba yan? Napakabulok ng pasa.
Ryan has it. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Panela gives it to Novales. Inside, in and out. Who will get the ball? Malabanan. And there is a whistle. Narishing. Malabanan dunks, and there's a swipe coming from Real. Recovers the ball. Good pass, Limbar.
Ano ba naman
The leg
yan?
was too strong. Gets his own knees, dunking up. The floater is good for Limbar. Sakit 7 minutes, 1 point lead for Kalutang Girls.
Lamang na po ng isa ang Muson.
Barrett gives it to Tempora. Malabanan loses the ball. Up the ball. 59-58. Here is Albert again. Fires the long bomb. Albert Samambayan. G. 62-58.
62-58. Lamang na po ang Kalubang.
18 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ang utiba man ng player ng Bonalejos.
Barrett, there's a block from Sampayan. Pace away. Batting by Woodhouse.
Nice one.
Good shot, no good. Novales. Spins, crossover move. Novales. Long range roll for Guzman Novales. 66. 64-58. 6-point lead.
64-58.
Advanced timeout call for Bonaleos.
Unti
Tempora
pa.
gives it to Tempora. Good pass! Great ball movement for
Gandang
Bonaleos.
pasa.
64-60. Panela using their time wisely. Taking three. No good. Rebound for Tempora. Where is Costa? And there's a steal for Panela.
Hindi hinabol.
Alday gives it to Limbal. Ali play. No, Panas gets an own miss.
Foul pa.
Losing the shot, but there's a foul. Novales makes his first throw. Navales misses second. Alicia, no good. Here is Naman. 2 against 1. Lopez to Naman. And selfish basketball coming from Lopez. 65-62. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Here is Navales. Drives up the middle. No good.
Pakibaan naman ni Navales. Grabe.
It's traveling violation. Costa. 18 seconds to shoot. Naman. 14 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Costa sees standing. And there's a tap from Panela. 7 seconds on the shot clock for Paneleo's score. 7 seconds to shoot. Cross-court pass. Lopez takes through.
Rebound. Rebound. Sayang.
Alicia. Lazy lead for Alicia. Naman. Gives it to Costa. Costa again. Lazy lead. In and out.
Sayang.
Vaporize there.
Nice. Nice save.
67-65. 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
67-65.
Takes it to Navales. Good pass for Elvin Panela. Costa against Limbag, 14 on the shot clock. Here is Naman. Drives.
Nice one.
Super 2 for jersey number 22. 23. 69-67. Panela with the ball. Advanced substitution. Panela gives it to Limbag at the corner. Roger Limbag. 72-67. Exactly 3 minutes. Costa at the corner. Naman. 72-70.
Grabe. Lapit lang na score. 72-70. Lamang ng dalawa. Pang Lehos.
Limbag again. 8-6-3. Roger Limbag.
Sagutan ng 3. Sasagot kaya ang Bunalejos?
There's a reaching foul call on jersey number. Lopez, no good. Navales gives it to Panela. Where is El Dave? Hangs in the air. No good. Temporary rebound. Gives it to Naman. Great handout for Naman.
Pagyanan na.
There's Justin. Pass to Navales. Navales sidestep move. Lazy lead for 2.
Ano ba yan?
77-17. Lupang Lehos is up by 7 points.
77-70. Pito ang lamang.
3 again. Naman G.
Sa ulit.
Panela takes 3. Elvin Panela 3.
Sagutan.
80-73.
80-73. Pito. Lamang pa rin ang
1 minute and
Kalumbalejos.
20 seconds. Here is Stefora. Gives it to Costa. Here is Lopez. Pass to Naman.
Hindi na papatitin.
Cross-court pass. 5 seconds to shoot.
Tira na. Shoot yan.
Shot clock violation.
1 minute na lang ng third
Here is
quarter.
Justin. Exactly 1 minute. Gives it to Alicia at the middle.
Dali, baka ma 8 seconds.
Naman. Against Panela.
Ay!
Here is Stefora. Lives it to
Nice pass.
Malabanan at the glass for 2. 80-73. 5-point lead. Here is Justin. And
Nice.
there's a steal for Malabanan.
Nice
2 against 3. Malabanan gives it to Lopez. No good.
Sayang.
Novales gets the rebound. 30 seconds. Novales.
Foul na
Missing the
naman.
shot, but there's a foul.
Nag-sub pa. Lumabas. 26.4 seconds na lang, tapos 80-75 score, 5-point lead by
Makes that
Kalupang
run.
16.
81-75. Here is Costa. 25 seconds. Naman lives in the tempora. 2 for 2 for just number 30.
Apat.
Shot clock is off. 17 seconds. No more shot clock left.
Apat ang laban
10 seconds.
ng Kalumpang Leho.
Manera.
Points ulit. Sayang. Fourth quarter na po.
81-77. Malabanan gives it to Naman. Takes 3.
Lakas.
No good. Rebound for Temerin. Gives it to Navales. Almost a steal. Navales recovers the ball. Here is Navales. Gives it to Real. Drives at the baseline. In traffic. Takes the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Navales makes his way in. For Navales. 83-77. Malabanan bounce. No good. Tempora again.
Sayang.
Here is Moika. Last touch on Navales. The ball will go to Aman. Malabanan. 14 on the shot clock. Here is Tempora.
Bakit?
3 seconds violation. 8 minutes and 55 seconds. 83-77. 6-point lead of Barangay Kalumpang Leos. Real setting up the play for Kalumpang Leos. 18 on the shot clock. Here is Navales against Malabanan. In and out move. Step back. Perimeter shot. Bounces up. Rebound for Barot. Here is Barot. Gives it to Naman. Barot. Pass to Malabanan. At Danilo. In-out pass. Barot takes 3. No good.
Ba yan?
Moika all alone. For 2.
Wala na, tinambakan na ang Bunalejos.
85-77.
85-77.
18 on the shot clock.
Lamang ang Kalumpang.
Advanced substitution. Malabanan takes 3. No good.
Nagpatambak na.
This is good. Naman. There's the whistle. The foul. Naman makes his first throw. 85-78. $85-79. 7 minutes and 51 seconds. Real. Gives it to Navales. 14 to shoot. Moika. Real. Against the top. Naman. Pass to Barot. Where is Moika? Takes. Black. Takes. Black again. Naman. Up the glass for 2.
Nice.
85-81, the lead is down by 4. Here is Limbang. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Navales, inside pass. Still for Lopez. Here is Naman. 2 against 2. Naman, stop and foul. Level. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. 85-81. Limbang. Real takes 3. Real 3. 88-81.
88-81.
Gives it to Naman.
Kalumpang Lehos.
Gives it back to Costa. 14 na the shot clock. Naman. Pass through. Deborah. Trying to look for an answer. Deborah. Team. Long 2. Long 2 for Deborah. 88-83. Official score. Boyka answers back. John Mark. Boyka.
Grabe naman.
91-83.
Taas ang score.
The lead is up to 8. Lopez gives it back to Costa.
Score
At
91-83.
Camilo, here's Deborah. But there's the whistle. Foul call Costa. Costa drives, kick out pass. Lopez fires. No good. Here is Naman. Gives it to Costa. Thanks. Deborah is there.
Sayang.
Fourth. Here is Navales. Navales, this is first throw. Substitution.
Score 92-83. Lamang ng 9 ang Kalumpang Lehos.
In and out. Gives it to Costa. Cross-court pass. Here is Naman.
Nice!
92-86. The lead is down by 6.
Gabi na.
Boyka gives it to Panela. Lead back, takes, steams, drives, dollar pass, Navales inside. 94-86.
Paus ng commentator.
5 minutes and 10 seconds. Here is Malabanan. Malabanan gives it to Costa. Costa takes 3. At the tip of the ring. John Mark loses the ball. 94-86. Here is Costa. Gives it to Naman. Naman takes 3 again. Not this time around. Where
Bayan.
is Navales?
Time remaining.
Panela wide open 3. No good. Rebound for Deborah. Here is Deborah. There's a turnover for
Bayan.
Buenos. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Advanced timeout call for Buenos Dos. Limba gives it to Navales at the 3-point line. 12 seconds to shoot. 8 to shoot. Cross-court pass. Boyka, step back. Demerin. There's a block for Deborah. Costa outlet pass. Naman off the glass for 2. 94-88. The lead is down by 6. 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
94-88. Kalumpang Lehos.
Limba gives it to Navales.
Oy, oy, oy.
There's a down foul. Limba. 12 to shoot. No look pass. There's a steal for Baron. Here is Naman. 2 against 2. Naman drives. But there's the whistle. 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Score 94-88.
Costa, please.
Sayang. 2 shots, 2 shots. Shoot. Sayang free throw. Sala pa pa rin.
Lopez Navales makes it to the back. Gives it to Panela, 16 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Demerin inside for 2. 96-88.
Score 96-88.
Lopez Astilla, here is Costa. Costa 3. The lead number 4, 96-92. 2 minutes and 45
Habol!
seconds.
2 minutes, 45 seconds.
96-91. 5-point lead.
Yon!
There's a score again.
Bayan! Nag 3 points pa.
It's 3.
Haha!
Well, Bayan takes it. Yes, Lavales, 5 to shoot.
Kuha!
There's
Nice!
a steal. There is Barrett. Barrett looks it to Tevera. Looks it back to Barrett. Barrett takes 3. No good.
Kuha!
Bayan now. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Wala.
96-91.
5 lamang ng Kalumpang Lehos. Bayan?
Bayan. Looks it to Panela. Bayan at Cabello. Takes 3. No good. Lavales. No good. There's a steal. Here is Tama. Costa takes.
Oh, foul! Sayang. Shoot naman. Sayang free throw.
Costa makes his free throw. 96-92. The lead is number 4. 1 minute and 18 seconds.
Time remaining, 1 minute 15 seconds. 96-92, 4 lamang ng Kalumpang Lehos.
And there's a turnover. 1 minute and 7 seconds. 96-92. 1 minute and 2 seconds. 16 to shoot.
3 points dapat. Lakas pa! Ano ba yan? Wala na to.
$18 to shoot. Good ball goes to Gonzalez. Driving at the baseline. Panela takes 2. No good. Panela again. Spins. Uses the ball. 25 seconds. 4-point lead.
Nice one!
Here's Alvara. Waiting on the shot clock. 5 seconds to go. Between the game and the shot clock. Gonzalez to the ball. 13 to shoot. And it's Tevera. Here's Gonzalez. And there's Tevera. Pass to Costa.
Sheesh! Dalawang block! Score 96-94, tapos 7.2 na lang. Tapos, goal possession ay sa ay... Saan ba ang bola? Ang bola ay sa Bunacer, ay Bunalejos. Tapos, 2 lamang ng Kalumpang Lehos. Tapos, 7.2 seconds na lang. Pag na-shoot to ng Bunalejos, overtime.
Gusto sa Malabanan. 7.2.
Panalo po ang Kalumpang Lehos.
Andrew